Welcome back, everybody. 7 o'clock, 25th of February. It would be a Tuesday. So, Battlecruiser operational. Hello, Furnicar. Liked and subscribed. Thanks very much, guys. Hello, Electrolab with the clamp. And Full Dive Media. How are you doing? How are you doing, everybody? I hope you're having an interesting week. Certainly we got some big things to look at today. Maybe even the thing we couldn't solve yesterday might even get fixed. We'll see. I think I'm going to do a re-roll on that project from last night tonight. But we'll get to that. So obviously we'll use Claude 3.7, so you can look forward to a bit of VS Code and Claude and all that good stuff. But to make it a little bit more interactive than usual, hello Vasil, welcome. Hello Apollonia, welcome, welcome. Glad to see everybody filtering in. So yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually make, what I'm going to be doing is every time we make something that works, we're going to put it in a folder on my website. So we're going to end up building up a little arcade of our successes. Okay, so at the moment there's nothing there, but what I'm going to do is make it so that when you type the name of the folder, for example, you know, Gen 5, it won't be that, but there'll be an index-based microsite under the folder name. And what I'll do is I'll make a new page on the site with just a list of links. And we'll do it all with VS Code. So that's the idea anyway. I've already got a mirror of the website set up locally, so we can do that. But mostly we're going to be having a little bit of fun with Claude 3.7. And just to sort of front load the video, because I know there'll be a lot of messing around, let's get into some of the one of the craziest examples which I've seen so far. This is actually insane. So what I did was I found a post about it on Twitter, and then I reran his prompt. Okay? I reran his prompt. I did it with Klein and Claude 3.7, and we end up with something that looks a little bit like this. You see, I just downloaded it from the inside line, index.html. Here we go. See this? This was just generated. Check that out. Can you believe this? The level generates, it generates randomly, you know what I mean? You get a random level each time. There's actually collisions, look. Yeah. You can zoom in to here. Obviously the guy is an asset, right? It's a GLB file. We can generate those in obviously it's been rigged and skeletonized. But yeah, it's pretty impressive and written in 3JS, just in case you were wondering. See, we've got all this stuff up here. Isn't this crazy? I just think this is insane. But yeah, this was one shot, no debugging. It just works. It just works. Now, the prompt was tricky, so I will be posting the prompt up in a new pack later. So we're going to be documenting our prompts as well. But yeah, I just wanted to sort of show you that. Now, if you're interested and you want to have a look at this, the HTML is linked in our Discord. The link is in the description of this stream or video, depending on whether you're watching it live or watching it later. Go to the inside line, join our Discord, and it's right here. Take it, have fun with it, right? Okay, guys, I'm going to disappear off the screen and we're getting into it. So let's just turn this off. So yeah, we're going to store all of them on there. So the first one, in fact, you don't even need to go to the inside line because it's going to have a little mini site in a minute. All right. So let's just start that up. So if I go to downloads, wait, I probably should. Here we go. Full Dive Media says you should create a big file that have all your work for every month, an even year, and when you want to start from zero, it'll daunting. Go look for them one by one. Yeah, this is one of the reasons why I'm starting to build the work into the website, guys, because I'm starting to feel like there's a lot of stuff that we do and it just sort of like gets seen on a live stream and then it gets forgotten. deserves a little bit more. So I'm going to say Soldier 3D. And then we're going to go into the downloads folder and drop that. And drop that into... Put that in there. Okay. Right. And then, if I just do that, I should be able to go... Oh. Oh. It's trying to do it. Ah, there we go. It worked. There we go. Soldier 3D. So that's how I plan to do it, by the way, boys. Look, boys and girls. All right. So yeah, 5 below 5, Soldier 3D. So we will add that to the inside line. Number 1. Number 1 is done. So now what I want to do is number 2. So let's just get into it. And I will demo. We're going to make some more. But I just want to put up the ones that I've already done. And then we can continue. So let's just see now. There we go. Frogalaga. Frogalaga. Okay? Don't judge me. Frogalaga. I spelt it kind of wrong. It should have had 2 G's if I was going to do it this way. But anyway, it's fine. Wait, why has it got Frogalaga and index.html? Huh? Have I? Oh, right. Okay, so there's actually 2 projects there. Right. Okay, so hang on. No, wait. The best way to do this is to make a new folder called Frogalaga. See, it should be Frogalaga. That's what it should be. Frogalaga. But for some reason I'm stupid. It probably spelt wrong in the actual game, but it's fine. Put that one in there. And then rename it to index. And then make another one called 3D Mandel Bulb. I don't even know if this one works. This would be interesting. Take those. It wrote its own shaders. I sat there and watched it write GSL shaders. I don't even know. I think it's interesting. So let's try this one out first anyway. I don't know if it works. Does it even work? I don't think it works. Let me just wait and see. Maybe it takes a minute to load like the last one. Oh. Oh, we've got things. Do you reckon it just takes a little while to pop in? It looks like it should work. Take screenshot, presets, spiky. I don't know, man. I don't think this is... I don't think this one works. It looks really good, though. Look at all of the... It's got everything it needs, except for actually doing something. Well, like I said, that's one I didn't actually check yet. The other one I know works. So, I'm just going to delete this one because I don't want to accidentally upload it. Right, so, Frogalaga. So, Frogalaga. Let me just check this out. Oh, you guys are going crazy. Okay, none of your business. Welcome to the stream. Do you have a Hunyan workflow on the Discord? I haven't got one working. All my renders are pink inference mess. Yes, we do. we have the DJZ Skyreels image to video workflow pack, and there's an article about how to use Skyreels, which is a fine tune of Hunyuan, which does have image to video support, and it also has Go with the Flow, which allows motion guidance. Okay. There's also another workflow on my account, which is like the Hoda Hunyuan pack. And if you go to my GitHub and go to DJZ Workflows, you'll see that there is both a Hoda pack, which has native workflow support, and then also there is now the Skyreels pack, which is the same as what's on Civet. So the answer is yes, none of your business. Just check out, just get the latest version of my workflow pack and pick out the folder you need. What's this? Electrolab says, I prefer AI agent game simulations rather than user controls and have them learn and evolve. Yeah, it sounds like you like the life games. Maybe we could try making a game of life, a life sim type thing. You know, that might be fun to watch it evolve on its own. Okay, and then what else we got? Super fake name, meant to make one game, accidentally make two. What is this timeline? You'll have to contribute to the 5 Below 5 AI arcade project, which is what I'm working on right now. Furnicar, Pink Inference. Oof, yes, exactly. Can you tell the video card? 4090. Oof, something's not right there. You want to try using the GJUF. You want to try using Hunyuan Gaguf, I think. Right, what else have we got? So, okay. All right, good stuff, guys. Yes, you definitely need to update Comfy. That could cause stuff like that to happen. So, let's check out Frogger Lagger. Now remember, all I said was for this prompt, please combine Frogger and Gallagher. Okay? It's in 3D. So I got to be careful. Can I even fire? Yes, I can. Oh, shit. Ah! Okay, I got to make a move. There we go. I win. 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 Wait, I think I found the cheat code, guys. Just don't hesitate. I'm just winning. Oh. Ah! Ah, I was so confident too. So what is this? It's Gallagher. So there's enemies that go across the screen and they shoot down. And then it's Frogger. There are, I guess, asteroids of some kind flying in different directions. And you have to get to the top of the screen. So you can shoot, you can move. It's basically combined two games. Just exactly how I asked it to. It's insane. Let's see how go. Let's go. Go. I got no time. Maybe get a shot off. Ah, damn, I went into... How the hell? Yeah! I think the game's getting scarily fast every time I play it. Whoa! 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 Wait. Ow! The game's getting faster every time you play it. It's now unplayable. Game over. Okay, right. I had my laughs. All right. Let's upload it. Upload it. Let's upload it. Let's release this thing to the world. Drop it in. Boom. I think it's online now. Let's see if I just get Frogger Lagger. Go to my site. Like that. Hell yeah, boys. Quick, take advantage of the slow speed. On your first life, the game is slow. I think it must be that the game gets harder by speeding up every time you die. I've got 3 lives. I didn't know I have 3 lives. Come on! Can I beat 10,000? That's my high score. Oh. Come on, 10,000. No! Damn, I steered at the last minute. Well, anyway, that one's now up. Again. We are adding it to... What the hell? Oh, wrong channel. Hang on. We are adding it to the signals. Frogger Lagger. So I wonder what else we can do. Do you know what I mean? Galaga Frogalaga. Yeah. Do you need to get Triton? No, you don't need Triton to get Q4. You just need to install the GJF custom nodes. If you install my workflow, it will be in the custom. It will be in missing nodes. Keep asking for help in the chat if you still run into problems, because you can definitely get it running. Maybe you just need to do like 49 frames, just 2 seconds, and go down on the size. You know, go down on the size, right down to like. You could probably test it at like 640 by 640 square, just to see if it works, and then it won't test the system as much. But see how you get on. There's loads of other stuff you can do. Like you can even use GJF to quantize the clip models now, which I don't do. I've never shown that. Anyway, so we've seen Galaga, and by the way, guys, if you want to try either of those games out, there they are. Now, those aren't the only games I made, but those ones were made with Claude 3.7. So what I thought it might be useful to do now is get us set up for what we're actually working on. Make it a little bit more... Let's get some AI MSG in here. Okay? So, this is Comfy UI Narrator. We're going to have a little poke around with that later. But it's not what we're doing right now. We're going to open a folder, and that folder is going to be my website for 5 Below 5. Okay. Well, that's a point. I don't think we ever finished that. See, there's so much work to do, but we're going to focusing on what we're doing. So, what? Augment. Trying to take over. So, what I think I should do is get one of these and use it as a template. Let me just have a look at my website real quick. Wait. Probably just use old music. Okay, old music, right? We'll call this... What the? Why is it trying to rename a line of code? That's bizarre. Right, so we're going to call this one... Synth Arcade. Probably lowercase, just so it doesn't, like... be difficult for people to type in. So Synth Arcade, right? So let's just take a look at this real quick. The basic website design is quite simple. All it is we have a home cards class, section class, and that contains 4 div elements, okay? And inside these are like the cards basically for each thing. So you know, if I was going to make this the thing, what I'm doing, what I reckon, like usually I put a title up. That's usually like a thing I do, but I don't see a title anywhere. Sometimes I just go title-less and just go straight into the cards. So yeah, what I want to do is I want to include what it was generated with, and then a link, you know what I mean? Obviously we can have a screenshot as well, which I haven't got yet, you know. I don't know how big it needs to be. I'll just copy whatever the size of SoundCloud is. Now, it is possible for me to say to the GPT, hey, we're going to be using a showcase class and sorry, we're going to be using home cards class, and it contains 4 divs which have this template format. You could do that. We could have it automatically, I said that so strange, automatically fill in, right? But that's not, I don't care. Do you know what I mean? This is just notes to me at the moment. I can have the AI run over it at the end if I need to. but it's not something I want to waste time on. So if I just close that. So what I'll do is I'll just put it in myself for now, and we'll just use whatever images are there, but the links have got to be right. So first things first is the Soldier 3D. Oh, whoops. I just tried to copy the link, and it took me all the way in. All right. So if I just do that, Soldier 3D, and then just say this one, Soldier 3D, and then here we say, what is it, 3D third person, 3D third person soldier game, and 3.js, and then here we go, plan, Grok 3, act, Claude 3.5 Sonnet, no, threat 7 even, 7. And it wasn't deep thinking mode, it was just a normal thinking mode, but we got the plan from Grok 3. Okay, so that's how that was done. And then the Froggerlagger, copy the link, there we go. Froggerlagger, and then it'll be the same thing. So this will be plan, Claude 3.7 Sonnet, plan, plan and act. Yeah, and this one would be a Froggerlagger. Combine Frogger with Gallagher in 3.js. And that's pretty much what the prompt was, guys. I won't be putting the prompt because some of them are really long. Like the prompt for this was like a proper prompt. That was a good one. But the fact that it could be reproduced, you know, I probably will print the prompt I've got for this. I will. I don't think I've got it on this computer. Wait, did I do it? I think I did it. I did it on my Chromebook. Nuts. Create the best generation I've done, and I did it on a Chromebook. So you really, the game is kind of changing, I think. All right, so the next one will be here. So we'll save this. And now, if I remember right, I've actually got like sort of like a mine of these already. But I want the top line to be the new ones that we do today. So here we go, look, I've already got a web games folder and it's full of stuff. Okay, so let's do Asteroids game first. And I've got to try and remember what I used to make them. Game over. Oh. Works. Okay, yeah, works. Right. So what I'll do is I'll just slightly... Actually... Yeah, it's okay. What we'll do is we'll just keep these in their own folder. So, like, these are like... I think this was DeepSeek and then made with... thing. Get on the Claude Code waitlist. They closed the door this morning. I'm already on it, I think. Oh, what? They closed the door. No, I was hoping to mess with that later. Damn it. Oh, well. Okay, so anyway, this is solid, so... It might be worth, though. It might be worth. I haven't put these online yet. So I could just make a folder, Asteroids. Yeah, we'll do that. Copy it. Can we duplicate the tab? Yes. Now we're talking. Back here. And I'll go Asteroids. Index. Hey, we got another one. Right, so drag that on. Okay. Go to my, where's my website? /asteroids. There we go. Copy that, put that there. What's this say here? Combined Galaga. Okay, so this one's going to be... Oh wait, it's not these ones now. So this is now... Where's the end of the section at? Ah, there's the section end. There should be another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think it must automatically... Yeah, so, okay. So now what we want to do is start putting them into the second section. So this will be asteroids. And what do we call it? It was Act Deep Sea R1, and then 70 billion, and then plan Act even. Whoops, I got it the wrong way around. Claude 3.5. Plan. Asteroids. Done. Okay. Obviously, Synth Arcade will go up on the site, and then I'll put links to it and all the other pages and all that sort of good stuff. But for now, what I'm going to do is just do what I'm doing now, which is just basically double check them. Can I move? Oh, I can move with Q and E. You can go through walls. I forgot about that. There's no clipping, so. But it's pretty good though. There's no collision. But it works. It works. So copy that, go back, go like this, back, rooms, basic, open it up, put it in, call it index. We will actually get to some coding soon, by the way, guys. I'm just sort of making a notation of everything we've done so that when we keep going, we've got a place to actually put it so anybody can go there and check it out. Profi Prompter, sup, what are you doing? So we are, just to give you a little, we are Claude 1, we're doing Claude 3.7 code. I'm currently in my website and we're putting stuff up. Yeah, we're going to merge Frogger with Tron. Yeah, we're doing crazy things always, right? Let me get you a link here. So we got this one, which is a combination of Frogger and Galaga. Although I found a cheat code where you just basically... Because I can move all around here, right? Whoa. Okay, and then you know. So we got that one. And then we got this one. And so what I'm doing is I'm just gradually putting more of these together and putting them into like a mini arcade on my website. It's pretty sweet. Whoa! I was messing around with the camera. Oh my god, what happened? Right. So yeah. And like I said, they're all on my website. You'll be able to get, like I said, links are in the inside line at the moment for the first two. We just tested out asteroids as well. And now I'm testing something else out. What am I doing now? I forgot. Oh yeah, Backrooms Basic. So we'll drop that in. Boom. Done. So now I should be able to go slash backrooms dash basic, and we're in. And this is all like, you know, games that we've generated with code, and I'm getting better at it though. This was like weeks ago, which is like one of my first ideas. When I'd made this, remember when we were doing the procedural maze stuff in Comfy Nodes? I made this on the same night, literally at the same time, pretty much. Yeah, true. You might invest on. Be careful. You don't want to get sucked into the machine, guys. But yeah, so that's the address. We can close that one down. We can add it to the list. It's going to go in here, and it's going to be backrooms basic. No clipping. And then we'll say here it was plan Claude 3.5 chat act. Well, I guess you could say it's going to be the same thing, isn't it? Yeah. So. Oh yeah, and you just say plan and act. Yeah. I'm an idiot. Plan. Let's do that actually. Yeah, make it like do it like that. I'll figure out. I'll get the other one. Consistency is key. All right, so there it is. We've done that one, so let's go on to the next one. I got loads of them. So we're now 3DB. What's this one? What's the difference? Oh, it's got more open. It's got more wide open spaces, so it's like less claustrophobic. Because the last one, and strafe is reversed. That is weird. But anyway, yeah. So that's the second one. Yeah, I better include that one as well. 3DB. So it's going to be Backrooms Basic 2. Okay. Drop that in. And not sure if that worked. Oh wait, no it did. It's fine. No faith. Okay. Backrooms. Well, it's just basically the same thing. No clipping, wider spaces, and same thing. Save that, get down to the next one. All right, and do. Yeah, we will actually make some new ones as well. I just need to make sure. Oh yeah, this one's good. Oh whoops, I missed. Whoa! I got multi-ball. No. Oh sheesh! Damn it. Whoa, I crashed the game with wide paddle. Okay, good to know. I'll still put it out though. It's pretty good, just don't pick up those yellow ones. That's funny. Breakout. Index. Breakout. Ah, it's not there yet. Obviously. I haven't uploaded it. Skipped a step. There we go. Oh no, he's losing. Okay. Breakout. Oh crap. I'm supposed to put it there. Breakout. And then that's a lot of non-breaking spaces. Okay, so I mean it's the breakout game. I mean oh, I know what I could say. I could say wide paddle equals crash. I don't know. Because yeah, it's probably not going to get fixed. These are just examples of what it can do. I'm not trying to, you know, even though I bet over time the games will get really good. At the moment, it's just like, oh, look at all these. That's what I'm thinking about anyway. So I think this one was actually made with 03 Mini. So plan, act, 03 Mini. Alright, save that. Let's get to the next one. Corridor game. Press and hold. What? And my score's going up. Can I go backwards? No. It just goes forever. I mean, cool, I guess, but where are we going? I don't think we're going anywhere. I think it's just infinite. Profit prompter. What? The subscription plans you have with Claude. Well, I pay for tokens direct on their API with their Anthropic account, and then I also pay for tokens to OpenRouter because you can access more models on OpenRouter, but I do have both because it's prepaid, so you don't really subscribe. You prepay, and then you use it up as you use it up. But I do also have Pro Plan for Claude, so I do have the Claude subscription. But I'm not subscribed to any other LLMs. Whoa. Okay, so I'm not going to put this up because I don't really think... I mean, what's the point? It's just literally just... Do you know what? I'm going to... Actually, I'll put it up and... maybe someone will get the high score. I don't know. I'll just call it Infinite Corridor Game. It's not really a game. You push W to get a higher score, but well, I suppose, yeah. Infinity Corridor. And then index, not iundex, just index. And then Infinity Corridor, drag it across, and slash infinity corridor slash, there we go, 10 meters, 10 points. Trying to find my place. Okay, breakout. Infinity corridor. That's weird. Breaks with the normal pattern. There we go. So it'll be push W to win. And this one was Deep Seek R1. And I think this was a 30 billion. Okay. Or whatever, no, not 30, 32. But I think you know what I mean. I think you know what I mean. If I go down to the next one, that'll be this one here. Lunar Lander. Oh no, I'm running out of fuel. No. Ah! Okay, yeah, there, yeah, that's a pass. Copy. Index. Drag it in. Lunar lander. Interesting. That link was completely wrong. Lunar lander. Oh, again, the templates look different. Template change. Switch. WASD. Limited fuel. Good luck. It's actually quite hard. And was this one Deep Seek? No, I think this one is an 03 Mini. Save. Next. So we've got room for two more, and then we're into another section. So what's next in the web games? Minecraft 3D. Trust me, it's not. I mean, it's a 3D world, and it's got random 3D objects everywhere, but it's a bit sparse. And what is that? LOL. Apolloniart says, I'm not surprised DeepSeek made that corridor game endless, just like its answers. Full Dive Media said, is the music called The Truth Is Out There? It's like the TV show. I wish I read that when you were talking about the actual song, because I know what you're talking about. That's the X-Files. I wish I knew which one. Yeah. Mr. Super Fake Name, Street Fighter and Duke Nukem. Yeah, true. We need to do that. We need to make... So basically, I'll be taking suggestions from the chat when we finally get there. Obviously, I'm going to get to the end of my list soon. Hopefully in about 15 minutes if I'm on time. So... we got a couple more to look at. I am going to put this up because it is a first-person 3D thing, okay? But it's very basic. I mean, I think I'll just call it, like, Overworld. Do you know what I mean? Because it's not actually Minecraft. It's just the ultimate bare bones. Overworld basic. But it is procedural. It is infinite. It's just like... it's not Minecraft. Okay, cool. Overworld Basic is in. So if I go to here and say Overworld Basic. There we go, we got it. And go into here. Overworld Basic. Again, the template's scuffed. Yeah. Overworld Basic WASD. Wow, it's more than WASD. It's like QE to turn and stuff. I mean, procedural plane world. You know, I don't know how to put it. This one was Deep Seek, you guessed it. But it was, where is it? There. Boom. Save that. And then we can get to the next one. Snakes and ladders. Okay, so in my version of snakes and ladders, the snakes move. So roll the dice and see the snakes move. It's one player snakes and ladders, just like all board games. Oh, I went up a ladder. Am I going to hit a snake? Ooh, that's a lot of snakes. Oh no! I dropped. Oh no! Another snake! Okay, so yeah, this does work. But it's like single player snakes and ladders, kind of random. But yeah, that works. So, what's this? Get rid of that. So, I'll call it snakes dash ladders. Yeah, that works. Done. Roll the dice. Straight into a ladder. Whoa! What? That ladder led to the top of the game. I'm about to win. In 3 moves. Nice. It's not broken, I'm just lucky. Okay? Alright. So yeah, that works. Snakes and ladders. So that's that one there. Snakes and ladders. Snakes. Oh, I think I can. Hey, you actually. It's actually trying to do it. That's Augment. Augment tried to fill it in for me. It's crazy. Single player. Dice roll based. Snakes move. I think this one was actually the old Claude. Me old Claude. My old buddy 3.5, and it was not chat, it was Klein, and the only way I can indicate that is just by not saying chat, because I should just, you know, plan act, you should assume it's exactly, I should take out the plan act because chat doesn't have that. Again, chat doesn't have that. Save that. So there's still room for more that we'll make today. I think, is there more, even more still? No, the rest is just links and stoof. So yeah, we've already filled up all the spaces. So let me just see if there's any more. We've got Space Invaders. Whoa! Power! Whoa! Eat it. Yes. Ah, oh, no. Hit him with the laser beam. I didn't know I had a super shot mode. I didn't know you could hold space. It just... Okay. You win. So that's all it is just a very basic, right? It's not got levels or anything like that. Space Invaders basic. Can we paste it? We don't have it copied. Okie dokie. Copy. No, I don't think Zelda game works. Index. Okay, so we have Space Invaders basic. Didn't actually drag it, that's fun. Come on, do it. There we go. Kill this one. Space Invaders. Basic. So, like I said, guys, hit the chat. I'm giving you plenty of time to hit the chat. In about 10 minutes, I'm going to be writing down all the suggestions you guys have and picking out the ones that are the most viable. I have my own ideas if you don't have any, but I'm sure you do. So, we'll start. I do see some suggestions already, so keep them coming. We'll make a little list. So thank you very much, guys. Because like I said, I'm going to be sitting back and watching it just as much as you are. This is one of the fun parts of the show. Like I said, I'm going to make a coffee in about 10 minutes. Any chance for a multiplayer game? Do you know what? One thing which I really want to see if we can do is that. So please, like I'm pleading to the gods of AI right now. I'm hoping there's a way to figure that out. Yeah. It's complicated, but I'm sure it can be done. So let's, like I said, I haven't even looked into that yet. But it does make you think, doesn't it? You know? Surely it can be done. So, okay, so I think I'm going to put our overpowered Space Invaders on here, right? So let's just drag that there. So it'll be like the last one on the first section. And then there's still plenty of room for what we make today. So there we go. And I'll be like OP Space Invaders demo. That should do it. Save that. And then of course we need to put this, so that's what I'm going to be doing over the next couple of minutes, is just basically making sure that this page can be found on the other pages, right? So we drag it in. So now if I go to syntharcade.html, let's see what the state of it is. Okay, so let's do a couple more changes. So I just want to indicate to myself a little bit what is actually, okay, so dot. I'm just trying to like placeholder it up. In fact, I got a better idea. Do that. And what the heck? Ah, shit. Include the H3. Okay, there we go. So we got room for whatever we make now. Plenty of space. I can put like screenshots in later because this is a work in progress page. So let's just update it. Yes. There we go. So we got some space for the new ones. Okay, obviously the place, you know, the images, will change the images. But then here we go. We've got all the games down here. So now it's not linked on the site yet. So in the inside line, we have the Synth Arcade link if you want to check it out and have a mess around with everything that we've been showing over the last hour. So, like I said, Asteroids, the 2 Backrooms, Breakout, Infinity Corridor, that's the best one. Lunar Lander, Overworld, Snakes and Ladders, Soldier Sheet 3D and Galaga, Frogalaga are up here, and then OP Space Invaders. I know there's like no levels or anything, okay, but this was the first one I did, I think, actually. Oh, wait a minute. I didn't tell you what I made it with. I made it with 3.5 Sonnet. So hang on a sec, I messed up. Ah, it's because the template changed. Some of them are missing that second paragraph there. So let's just give it the 3.5 chat. That's the first one that I used. And do you know what they're calling this? They're calling this vibe coding now, guys. It's got a name. So it's a thing now, vibe coding. There you go, that's what they call it. You know, you make stuff. And did you like it? Yes. Okay, keep it. Mr. Super Fake Name says Narc and Pokemon. Interesting. Apollonia. Okay, so arcade classics. Bomb Jack, Mr. Do, Defender, Retro, Paperboy, Marble Madness. I was thinking about Paperboy earlier. I wonder if it can do it. Mr. Super Fake Name said Street Fighter and Duke Nukem. What other suggestions do we have here? Maze with Metroid. Asteroid with Bricks. Froggy and Tron. Don't forget that one. If there are more that I did not just read out, please say them again because they've been pushed up, up, up. But yeah, we'll make a list and try some of those combinations in a minute, see what happens. So, okay. So I've saved this. Now, in order to get a link to the Synth Arcade, I'm probably going to just use the games.html page. Does the games.html page exist on the web? I don't know. Let me just open it up and see what it looks like. Okay, yeah. So this is like actual video games. Okay. So yeah, I'll probably add a link to this page. So let's just go to the games page. Is there a game? Yeah, games page. So look at that. There's two angles. So I reckon this right link here, the second one. We'll make that one the Synth Arcade. That's easy. So let's go back, Synth Arcade. And then I don't need to change every single page on the site. I just use it as like a sub link. So games, and then there's going to be two sections that are both angles. There we go. Look, one. Big can, angles. So like that, and then we'll say AI generated game arcade, or AI generated. Why am I having trouble with this? AI generated video gaming. Why not? I'll call it the Synth Arcade. Okay, save it, and then we need to get both of those updates. There we go. Yes. Now you don't need to know a special address. You just go to Games and Synth Arcade, and then you get there. Obviously I'll have to update the images, but that's not a big deal for us. It's just a bit of screenshotting and cropping, that's all. But once that's done, it will all look nice, and we've almost got a complete page. So look at that, right on time, literally to the minute, just like everything. Okay, so now we get the opportunity, because like I said, this web games is where I just put them. But oh, there's one more. Let's see what it looks like. I think this one's the worst one. Yeah, it doesn't even work, mate. It doesn't even do anything. Hey everyone, Zelda. Do you like my Zelda? So about 2 weeks ago, this was kind of like iffy as to whether it would work or not. But now things have changed. There's been a whole lot of really good coding models come out. We're going to be using Claude 3.7 because it just came out. We're going to be using Klein. Okay. So then, let's just close games and leave. We'll leave Synth. No. We'll jump in there when we need to because I don't want to confuse the thing here. I might even go into a clean. Yeah, let's do that. Let's find a clean folder to make these games. So I got like a. No, I haven't. Okay. Mood. Hell yeah. We should make mood. I'm gonna make mood. Where's my folders? There it is. So open it up. We're going to call this Synth Arcade. And I'm going to open it, make a 1 here, because I don't know how many times I'm going to need a clean folder. I trust the authors. And we're not using that. We have it on 3.7 Sonnet, and we have both plan. Oh, no, 03 mini height. Let's just make sure that's correct. And through pick. Okay, yeah, it's good. Okay, looks like we're ready to go. And it's coffee time. Oh, I know what I could show you guys while I'm making coffee. These were made yesterday with Skyreels. Okay, so let's just put it on random. So these were all made last night on Skyreels. Some of them have been added to the Civic gallery. I'm going to make my coffee now. Yo, so yeah, if I just move this a little bit, there we go. So what do I think about this Skyreels thing? Well, it's pretty cool. It's not as good as training a Hunyuan Laura, but it does give you some motion to your work. It is quite true to your work. It does change things though. So it will use face details, it'll learn certain stylistic details, but it keeps most of it there. And so I think that if you don't want to train a Laura with Hunyuan training, you know what I mean? This is a nice way to get some motion, but it's very random, it's very hit and miss. So I'm hoping that Go With The Flow gives us a better way to control the motion, because at the moment it's kind of like, you know, it's just down to good seed, bad seed, maybe some prompt tuning, but what I did was I used Quen, so, you know, you will get better results by manual prompting because you will be, you know, with intent asking it for specific motions, whereas I was just like experimenting with auto prompt. So when you see it go wrong, I have to take some of the responsibility for that because I did use like a blunt force, you know, random, you know what I mean? Whenever you use randomizers, you know, if it doesn't work, it's kind of, if you look at the prompt, it's usually your fault. But it was a nice way to see what it could do when you give it something challenging to work with. Oof, that broken neck. And also, this is quite low res. it will be much better if you're generating in higher resolution, but on a local card, you know what I mean? It's the same old thing, isn't it? How many videos can you actually make if it takes 10 minutes to make one? 10 minutes to take 10 minutes for 2 seconds if you're high res. Low res, you can get it down to about 4 or 5 minutes, which is why they look like they do, you know. Why is it, look, I feel like it's just showing us the same videos over and over again, don't you? Take random off. See, why is it still the same video? No. It's playing backwards for some reason. Okay. But yeah. Marble Madness in 3JS. I like the sound of that. All right, let's get busy, shall we? Let's get rid of this. It was fun, but it's kind of weird. We're kind of spoiled. So. Based on, this is all I'm going to say, Paperboy and Marble Madness. Let's go plan mode. Look at him go. Which aspects do we want to emphasize? One. Newspapers delivery at houses, suburban setting, obstacle avoidance, and avoiding obstacles that cause game over if hit. Yeah. From Paperboy, and then let's go down here from Marble Madness, the isometric perspective and race against time. Yes, a countdown. Everyone loves a ticking clock. What's this? What's your preferred control scheme? 2 keyboard and mouse. 3. Do you have any specific visual style in mind? Retro, low poly, modern, stylized. Let's just say retro. Retro. Yeah. Would you like to include any additional features beyond the core gameplay? A score and a restart button. Okay, so while waiting for your input, what? He was working while I was... A 3D game. Player controls a paper delivering marble through a neighborhood-inspired course. What? Sounds pretty cool. So you've got to accurately hit delivery targets. Okay. Wait, so I have to physically deliver the newspaper? That's interesting. That's a really cool idea. I hope you can do it. Let's go. You can't be done already, mate. I was going to say, that would have just been suspicious. See, the funny thing is, guys, when stuff like this happens, I just don't get any sleep, because when I get home, I'll just be doing research all night. It can't wait. It can't wait till tomorrow. That's the problem. It's funny. But it's fine, though, because then you've, like, done all the work for tomorrow and the next day in an evening. Oh, it's terrible. It's terrible. Right. I hope you're all enjoying a coffee or a beverage or some kind of fluid that you enjoy. Because that's some good coffee. And like I said, we just sit back at this point, get comfortable, and see if you can do it. And you know what the funny thing is? The prompt was so simple for this. You know I did have to clarify a little bit. But the funny thing is that if this doesn't work, what I'm going to do, which we haven't done live before, we'll just do it again and compare the output. So let's check out what people are saying in the chat. Fernicar, I have the same problem. The next day I'm so tired. Yeah, it's true. Do you know, I might actually have to say, you know, I might just have to go, right, whatever happens tonight, and just sleep early. Because I do think that getting up early is better than staying. I think it's better than working late. I think getting up early is, you know. And also, we're starting to get some brightness as well. The night time is starting to fade away as we head into the summer. I know it's weird to say that, but it is the end of February nearly, guys. It won't be long. Like 2 months and we'll be in May.
You're listening to 5below5.uk radio. I put this together with all the tracks I've built over the last few weeks. Thanks for
Look at it
listening.
go.
You can check them all out on my SoundCloud and on Bandcamp. Why not go over to 5below5.uk to check out our YouTube tutorials as well.
So let's just have a little peek at what he's doing. Oh, he's in my website, right. Well, no, he's not. We made a new folder. So where did I put that? It's right here. Okay. There we go. So far he's written 4 JavaScripts, index and a JS, and index and CSS. So now he's writing a level. My Claude has 200k context window, yeah? It's mental, isn't it? It's because I'm actually using Anthropic's API, not OpenRouter right now. If I still had credit on there, so I wonder when it'll run out. We're burning through it pretty quick. We've done 46 cents on this so far. Oh, we just went over 52 cents now. Still running. Main game logic for Paperboy Marble Madness. See, I don't, like I say, the way I see it, like this is a little bit like image generation. It might come out with 5 fingers and a hook nose. Do you know what I mean? It might come out without a face. It might have no legs. Do you know what I mean? But you can just try again. What's this? We'll create the main JS. I've done it, he says. Oh, he's trying to run it. Is he trying to run his own game? I mean, I don't see... Proceed while running. He's trying. It looks like a black screen. No logs. I can see the game is loading, but there's an issue. I can see the score in the element, but the game is black. There's also navigation timeout. Let's close the browser and check for issues in the code. See? It didn't work. He's already fixing it. Don't worry, guys. Just sit back, get a slice of cake, and start packing on the pounds as we just watch it do all the work for a minute. It's quite nice, actually. Okay, so he's put in logging. No doubt so he can run his own game, read his own logs, and then find out where the bug is. Pretty clever. Okay, he's having a problem with replace. Let's also update main.js to make sure the splash screen is removed when the game starts. That might be why it's not starting. This is... Oh. Yeah, okay. What's next? Check the 3JS imports. They look correct. He's going to have another go at running the game. Oh, there's stuff there, guys. He's going to play his game. Oh, what is this? What is this? What is this? Point of View says, reserve 30 gigabytes. For new WAN models, we got a new 14 billion text to video and image to video. Ah, could you drop it in the... I guess you already did drop it in the GitHub sharing. Let me have a look. Let's have a look. Oh. Oh, it seems the controls are not working properly. This might be due to her. Let's close the thing and check it. What? Step 6. Let me summarize what I've done. Okay, the game is functional. 3D game. From Paperboy. Was and space. Aim and click to throw newspapers. If this actually works... hang on. Yeah. Oh my god. I can't aim, but it does actually work. Wait. What am I supposed to... Am I supposed to... Well, am I supposed to... Wait. Oh, you can't... So, what? What the heck are they? I don't really understand what I'm supposed to do, but it actually did try to it right click. Nah, it just opens up the right click menu. It's okay. It is, well look, it made 3D Marble Madness and Paperboy. It's a bit like confused. Oh no, I run out of time. Of course, there's a ticking clock. Oh, how am I supposed to... I don't see anything happening there. I don't see anything happening there. Maybe you're... No. Because I'm seeing letterboxes, do you know what I mean? But, nah. Okay, anyway. I mean, look, there it is. There it is. It did it. For better or worse, it did it, right? So what we'll do is we'll take this folder, copy it, go back to the web area, paste it in, call it, what is it? Marble or Paper Madness. Gotta put lower cases, servers. Paper Madness, okay, and just drag that in. Okay, and then we go to... There we go. So it's up, that one's up. What's next? So we will close this folder and then open folder, and it's going to be the same one, but now we'll go into 2. Do you know what? Should we make it again and see what it does the second time? Should we just, because I've been wanting to do this for a while. I think it's going to be an interesting one. I probably won't do it again just for the sake of the show, you know what I mean? But I think it might be an interesting one, just to sort of, because we talk about it all the time. It's a bad seed. So we saw what it just did, right? So how about same thing, and then we'll move on to the next game. Hans, welcome to the stream. And Fernicar, is that Scanlines? Yes. Hans says, I can't get my Lauras to appear in the prompt text when I click on them as an image in stable matrix. It works for checkpoints. Have you got a tip? Yes, go on to stable matrix and look up the exact syntax for loading Laura in your prompt, because it's something that is specific to stable matrix. You know what I mean? It's something that they've built in or can be built in by an extension or plugin of some kind. You know what I mean? Because they had that for Automatic 1111. You can get it for Comfy as well. It's like a autofill linking thing that's aware of all your Lauras. And then you can like put the Laura weight and stuff, and you can even have it change the Lauras on different steps and all kinds of stuff. I don't use stable matrix, so I wouldn't like to tell you more than that, but I'm sure that they've got it in their documentation, how to load Laura in prompt. I think they call it inline Laura prompting or something. It's got a funny word for it. Hopefully that helps you. Okay, so let's have a look and see what he's done. Oh, it's different. It's completely different. So it's going to do 3JS. Understanding high-level architecture. I don't need to use read files starting from scratch. Paperboy meets Marble Madness. Player controls a marble. Marble delivers newspapers. Game takes place on isometric 3D courses with ramps, obstacles, enemies. Players earn points. He's written out an architecture for the game. He said, we're going to do it like this. 3JS, camera control, basic lighting, marble physics, player controls, newspaper throwing. So it's the same as last time. Isometric courses with ramps, parts, obstacles. We didn't get that last time. It was just a road. House models for delivery. Level progression, scoring system, lives and failure, game states, menu, playing, game over. Add sound effects and music. What the hell? We'll need a physics system. We could use cannon or ammo. Would you like me to refine anything? So he didn't ask me any questions this time, so let's go for it. So this is actually lending credence to the whole... It was just a bad seed, bro. It was just a bad seed. If you get something fail, it was just a bad seed. This is taking a different approach with different features. I reckon it'll look completely different. I hope it works. Like I say, you never really know if it's going to run until you test it. But that's the same for human code. You don't know if it runs until you test it. It might be a broken mess. You'd hope not. And like I said, every single one we do tonight will be throwing up on the website. Obviously the links aren't going to be up yet, so what I'll do is I'll just put the short links into the inside line. So there's the first one of the night, Paper Madness. I wish I knew how to beat the... Whoa! There's trees now, not letterboxes. Oh wait! Am I supposed to jump over... No. I thought I was supposed to jump over there to get to the mailbox. Wait, is that the mailbox? Don't know. I don't think that it actually works, but it's fun. The fact that it can be done is tantalizing. This should be tantalizing to people because it's almost like it's 2 years old and it's, you know, writing video games. Crazy stuff. So it's writing the physics. See, there's a lot that can go wrong in this code. Now he's going to create level.js. See, one thing I would like to do is take a game that we've made and say, make level.js procedural. Do you know what I mean? Stuff like that. Just like little improvements and see if it can do stuff like that too. Because, or like, I know it's possible so that we could say, you know, expose external files, generate placeholders, and then I can change, you know what I mean? I can come along and put my own textures into the game and stuff like that. So Point of Google was talking about WAN models, but I don't have any links for them, so... Oh no, there it is. I see it, Point. Thanks for linking it. If anybody's interested in that, he linked it in the GitHub sharing section on our Discord. If you're not joined, the join link's in the description. So, he's acting. Marble Paperboy. It's making trail vectors. The trail vector line was a nice touch. It looks like it's doing that again. I know it's just a tracer, but it looks cool. Or it looked cool. So throwing newspaper. I wonder if it'll use... See, I wonder if it'll use the same assets as last time or if it'll make completely different ones. You know what I mean? Because it's like if you AI generate 2 cats, there's no guarantee they'll look the same. Okay, game.js. If it's doing things in the same order as last time, it should be done soon. Oh, is he going to start running it and testing it now? Or oh, no, he's got the main JS. Oh yeah, of course. I thought I forgot about that. He wrote that quick. Oh, there he goes. Right, proceed while running. Let's go. I want to see him try it out. Oh. Okay, we got the black screen. I can see it's displaying correctly. Let's click start the game. No. Wait, what's happened now? Seems like the key press might not be enough. What? He's tripping. Let's try throwing a newspaper with the spacebar and see if that works. So he can't move, I think, is the problem. Oh, it's just a WebP. Error. Apologize. Let me try again. Apologize. Let me try again. Browser was closed. Let me try again. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I've successfully created the game. All right. Let's see it then. A little bit chaotic at the end there. Whoa. Okay, so yeah, I can't move. But I was right. It changed the entire game. It's a completely different game, and it's got completely different problems. And I can't move. Do you know what? I'm going to let him have one shot. I'm going to let him have one shot. I'm going to say, I cannot move. Move. I'm going to give him one go, and then we're moving on to the next one. Because that cost me $1. I could have bought a whole banana for that. A whole banana. So let's see it. I'll check the input. I'll check the thing. I'll check the physics. Do you know what? When I look at the screenshot, I think it could be as simple as... Is it gone? Is the screenshot gone? Yeah. It could be as simple as he's started the game, like, bumping up against something. Or in the floor or something like that. It could be something really simple like that. But we'll let him have a shot. And if he doesn't fix it, we're going to move on to the next concert. Because this one doesn't work. You can't put it up. Do you know what I mean? You know, as it is, it looks cool, but can't get in there because you could roll up in front, hit the button, and it'll land on the yellow. I can see what it's trying to do, and it's like get that, get that, get that, get that. Don't hit anything. I can see what it's trying to do. It's actually it's legit. It's actually managed to create Marble Paperboy. The only problem is it scuffed the movement. That's why I thought we'll give him a chance. But really, you could just generate it again. Do you know what I mean? You could just generate it again. But I just want to see whether he breaks it now or if he actually manages to fix the problem. Because sometimes it is the case that he just makes it worse. Which is why it's even more a good idea to just do the prompt again clean. Yeah, either the marble didn't land on the street or it's in the ground. I'm not sure which. If we have a look, see, you can see it like you saw it drop and land, but then he can't move. And I wonder if we're like slightly outside the bounds of the map, so we can't move forward, can't move at all. But it could be something else. He's adding keyboard debugging. Modify contact material. Keyboard control guide. It's trying to tell me how to move. Yeah, thanks, buddy. I'd laugh if all it does is just... I printed the controls on the screen. Thumbs up. So it doesn't actually fix the problem. I put a sign up that says the controls don't work. Did I do good? Alright, let's just... I'm going to test it while he's testing it. Still can't move. And yeah, he did. He just put a menu on top of a menu. Yeah. Nope. Still can't move. What's it say? It shows the forces being applied. Marble movement fixed, he says. I don't think it is, guys. Oh, it felt... Wait a minute. No. Uh-oh. Oh. No. No. It's busted. It's busted. And he couldn't fix it. He says he did a bunch of stuff, but it didn't work. Bottom line. So I'm going to be like, nope. That's a nope. Alright, let's move on to the next one, because, you know, we could be just trying to make the same thing over and over again. But the thing is, it does it different every time. What's that? Place the marble in the center of the map. Yeah. Actually, do you know what, mate? Do you know what? Because you know we're about to leave it. We'll give it one more prompt. I love it. It's like one more time, just one more time. All right. So I'm gonna say, can we move the player start to the middle of the map? Oh wow. He's like, I need to do loads of math to figure out what that even means. Okay. It should be quite straightforward, he says. Update player JS, update level JS, update game JS. Let's see him do it. Boom. Is that it? Okay, cool. He's done that one. Update level. Okay. He's done that one. Oh, wait. Yeah. And now... Game.js done. So he's done it. Okay. Let's give it one more blast and see if he figures it out. Still can't move. Grievous. There's the end, look. Ah, if only we could move. What a shame. Do you know what I mean? Considering it's just generating all this, it's actually insane. Right, so that's a miss. But it did do it. It did put us in the middle of the map. It's just the movement system's cooked. I don't think it knows how to fix it. The end. Let me see if I can see my tools and my synth arcade, and we'll make a new folder and we'll give it another blast. Right. There is another way of doing this. Okay. And that way sometimes is actually even more powerful. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use that on the next combo. So I'm reading up the list backwards. So let's see what is the next. Narc and Pokemon. I don't know what Narc is. Can somebody well, I should probably just look it up and stop being lazy. Let's see what else, because there was a couple of other cool arcade options. What's it? Asteroids with bricks. That could be interesting. Let's try that. Asteroids and bricks. We can make a game in 3... I'm saying 3JS because I think it's one of the better 3D HTML libraries, and we can just run it in a browser. It's nice and easy. But obviously there are other ways of doing it. I've just picked that one, okay? We can make a game in 3JS that combines... asteroids with bricks. I wonder if it'll, because bricks, like asteroids, famous bricks, I wonder if it'll actually understand, combines the two video games. Because it would just make asteroids with bricks, you know what I mean? Just bricks in space, like they're square instead of... I'll say asteroids and bricks. Okay, now if I just copy that real quick, we're going to do the plan, alright? But here's the thing I was trying to say. If I go to Claude right now, And when we're in Claude, what we can do is we can pick extended, okay? And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to say this here. And then if you remember in the past, I said to you guys, get a plan and then put the plan into Klein. So we're going to get Claude Deep Thinking to do the plan. He'll probably make the code, by the way. I should have said in a single file. He'll start making loads of external files. So I might have to modify this. Potentially a ball that bounces off the spaceship and breaks bricks like in Breakout. Ability to shoot at bricks like in Asteroids. Maybe asteroids that float around. Look at him trying to figure it out. A spaceship can rotate and move. Bricks arranged need to be destroyed. He's trying to figure it out. He's trying to figure it out. That's great. So, as I say, I hope you're all settled in nicely. We're going to keep making games. That's what we're going to be doing. Oh, looks like he's made the game. Oh, I said plan it. He's like, I've made the game. I said, it's done. I don't know if it'll actually work. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. What the? Okay, this is confusing. So I'm firing sideways. I can't move. How do I move? Oh, arrow keys. Oh, sheesh. What? Wait, what? Which way is forwards? That way is forwards. What? What's going on? Wait a minute. Oh no, if I hit the space station, I'm dead. What? Oh shit, they're asteroids as well. Oh Christ, it actually is. The ball's bouncing around up there right now. Oh no 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 no. Okay, well, do you know what? This is a win, dudes. It just works. It just works. Arrow keys and space. Right, so anyway, we download it, right? And we make a new folder called Asteroid Aster Bricks. And then I put it puts the HTML. Oh, it's not an HTML file, it's a TSX file. You sneaky boys. See, I don't think... Yeah, that's not going to run. It's React. So... Ah, damn. It's really good, but it's in TSX. So he's used TypeScript. It's kind of... he's kind of cheated, but then that's my fault, right? I should have said... I'm not going to get rid of that because that was actually pretty good. I'm not going to lie. I'm like really impressed with that. It's crazy. Maybe we should be using TypeScript. So let's just put it on extended again. We'll post it in, but then I'll say, give me the complete HTML file. Okay, so maybe that'll like keep him on rails. But yeah, that was crazy. It actually is, it actually is, it is asteroids, and it is, crap, died. Really interesting. Oh, wow, we got the ball back. Really interesting. Maybe that's why the ship's sideways, because it's actually a paddle. I don't know. Oh no, I got hit. So yeah, anyway. 7 seconds. Let's have a look at the code. React. So here he is doing it again. And if we go back here, look at this. He's done it again here as well. So 3JS. So plan mode, Asteroids, bricks fusion. Destroy all brick formations. Bounce a ball off your ships. Some special bricks can only be destroyed by bouncing a ball off your ship. That's cool. Let's let him go for it. That's what he's there for. And then while we're doing that... Oh! Wait, what? So... Oh, I can't... Wait, what? Is this TypeScript again? This is really good. I kind of like the style of it as well. Oh boy. Can I actually bounce the ball? Yes. Oh no, it just immediately went downwards. So it's kind of hard to play, but it does work. So again, Asterbricks 2 is out, everybody. Oh wait, or should I say Asterbricks 1? Is it actually... Yeah, it's an HTML now. So let's put it in there. Double check it runs. Yes, it does. It's kind of sketchy though. Why does the ball fall off? I guess you have to get the ship to be the right angle. Oh yeah, and look, they're asteroids as well. Very cool. This is probably the best one yet. In terms of like it nailing, you know. Oh, okay, so I was shooting down the middle. The yellow ball is a bit hit and miss. Okay. Yeah, so let's just drop that one. Asterbricks. No. Yeah. Did I do some stupid stuff with capitalization? Yeah, I did. I'm an idiot. That's going to annoy me later. I forgot to... 2 seconds, ladies and gents. We forgot to change the name to Index. That does help. There we go. That's 2 for 2 so far. And the joke is there might be a second version of this. So the first version, it didn't fail, it just made it in React because I forgot to say make me an HTML, yeah. And then the second version was actually better than the first one with its own weirdnesses, but yeah, this one works also. So I just wanted to point out that, right, here, let me show you. So what we can do is we can submit this as a plan along with the chat, right? In fact, I could even say, yeah, extended region. Okay, I'll say, without writing code. No, I can't say that because it'll be part of the plan. Think hard about planning my game. And we'll use a different combo for this one. What's it say? I'm looking for suggestions from up the top. Maze with Metroid. A maze with Metroid. Okay. Combining endless maze with Metroid. Planning my game. Oh wow, he's made it too. Okay. What's he doing now? Synth Arcade 3, open it up. He's still writing it. So this is Asteroid Bricks 2. Whoa, are we 3D now? Oh my god, we're 3D now. Whoa, whoa, whoa! What's going on here? Need to start. I can't hit him. I can't hit him. Oh wait, they can't hit me. I can't hit. Wait. What? What? Huh? Oh. Yes. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh. Oh, there's like everything's coming in at funny angles. Free demo on Steam, buy it today. Oh no! Whoa! I mean, look, the asteroid part of this is busted, but look at that 3D. The 3D asteroids is pretty swish. Oh, I just got hit. Come on, I gotta be able to hit him. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yeah. Whoa, whoa. No. Whoa, whoa. And this is actually quite hard because they're all coming in on really weird angles. Again, free demo on Steam. Right, I don't know how I'm supposed to do the breakout part of this, but the actual asteroids part of this is really good. So I'm going to put that up as Aster Bricks 2. Why not? So that'd be this one. So yeah, we'll copy that and go here and say Aster Bricks 2, and yeah, it's index.html already. Drop that one in. Boom. Aster Bricks, and of course, I told you it would annoy me. Yeah, that's it. That's another one. Inside line for the link. Probably at some point in the next 5 minutes, I'll upload my. Well, we're still creating. Well, eventually we'll update the main page with these ones that we've been making. I think I want to make at least one more. At least one more. Yeah, it does need mechanics, of course. These aren't fully created games. These are nothing more than like tech demo concept things, you know? You'd have to put a lot more work in than just... But I think it's interesting to explore what can be just... imagined, you know? So that's what we're doing. But they're not supposed to be IGN 10 out of 10 games. They're just 6 out of 10. Okay. So we want to open another folder. It's going to be the same location. I wish I had a shortcut to just be there already. Synth Arcade and 4. Okay. Yes, I trust them. So this is my plan, which I made with Claude. Okay. There's no technical information here, I notice. Okay. But what we're going to do is we're going to copy that in as our first prompt over here. So this is the other method I was trying to tell you about. Pre-plan. White Minesweeper and Whack-A-Mole. Oh, that is beautiful, Furnicar. That's so good. I love it. Ah, make movies to games. That's an interesting one as well, Full Dive. So you could say, like, make Indiana Jones platformer. Isn't that what LucasArts did? Alright, let's see. Wow, look at this. Endless Metroid. Yeah, mate, that's what we want. Prototype. Create a prototype. Expand on the... Okay, create a prototype. Yes. Yes. Fascinating game design. Yes. A playable prototype. Okay, 1. Yes, the prototype will be playable. If implementation is the goal, what technology engine would you prefer to use? Unity, Godot, custom engine. You see? Should I make him make it in 3JS? Lol. Which is a joke. But no, it's not a joke at all. I just mean, like, that's not what you're supposed to say. You probably should say something serious there. But we're having fun. 3JS as a single HTML file. So I'm putting a strange limitation on him there. I should have just let him do what he wants. Which aspect of design would you like me to prioritize first? So I'll say what? I'll say in this order: procedural generation system, then shifting world mechanics, then combat system, then ability gated progression. So I'm just giving him an order, that's all. I'm not changing anything there. Is there a fourth question? Oh wait, there was more. And then unique twist elements. I don't even know what that means. Unique twist elements. Okay. And then for built from scratch. Okay. We're double planning. Prince of Persia. Yeah. If it sticks, it will go to Unreal Engine. Probably. Whoa, look at him go. Look at him go. Can we read this? Whoa, full screen. Whoa. Wait a minute. What? What? Here's a single... This is all about a single HTML file, remember that. "3D tin can shooting gallery." Make it a tap with physics. That'd be cool. What? 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 Dimensional shifting? Calm down, mate. You haven't even made the game yet. Off he goes. And that's coffee time. Right on time. Next up, try to do something useful. Insane. Oh, I see the file was truncated at line 765. That's not good. So now he's going to rewrite that. Don't truncate my files. I love that he fixes that on his own now. Does Claude know about overshooting? No, he doesn't. He's an absolute tryhard. He'll just be like, oh, watch me, he's showing off right now. Watch me backflip in loops. Check me out. Wow, it's just doubled the code length. Basic weapon, power beam. Do you know what the funny thing is? This reminds me of back when people were generating images and they were bad. A lot of them were objectively bad. You know, there was subjective value there, but you know, it was objectively bad. And then it suddenly became good. And it was only because people kept generating and refining and training and all this sort of stuff. That's why it got good. And I think that it's going to be the same thing with the code. It's just going to gradually get better and better and better. It's not leveling out. The acceleration is accelerating. And it becomes more apparent every time something like this, you know, this is almost like a flux moment for coding. If you're from the image generation arena, you know, we had our flux moment where a model came out that was just ridiculously more capable. Oh. Okay. Start game. To show your cursor, press escape. Left click, shoot. I don't think it works, buddy. I don't think this works. It's a nice idea, like everything looks cool, but it's... Oh, wait. Did I just have to wait? Let's try it again. Let's give it a minute. Because to be fair, the other ones did. Wait a minute. Don't think it works. Right, now wait. Oh, white screen. I don't know if that's a crash or what. Oh, something. What? What the? Wait a minute. Oh no. Oh, what? I think I just got eaten by a demon. Okay, so As soon as I saw these two eyes, I died. But I think there was a maze. I think this actually works, but it's completely crashed the browser. So do you know what? Let's try again, but this time we'll give it a bit more. We'll adjust the prompt a bit. How about that? I think that's how we did it. Yeah. Okay, right. So it does work, but the colors are screwed. It makes me think though, could I just change the colors? I'm not going to mess around. Let's close the editor, open the editor. 5. Right. I trust them. Nope. Right. Plan, act, plan, act, plan, act. Yep. So put it in. Right. So in the plan. So in the plan, I should say what the pastel color scheme used in all color in all textures and styles. So go. Yeah, the sky was blue. Yeah, the sky was definitely blue. So if I go to number 4 and just run that again, so you run it. So mouse, aim, left click, shoot, space, jump. I don't know if I'm in the game. I think it's because there's no textures. I'm not sure. Oh, is it even loading? I can't even tell. I think it's cooked, but it kind of worked. All right, let's queue up another one while he's cooking, so we can do 2 things at once, you know? Maybe. We'll just let my computer figure its life out. What's going on here? Here we go. What are you doing? Oh, he's already figured it out, and he's like, I've got questions, buddy. Okay, so here we go. I should ask the user about these things. So, right, 1, is this a 2D or 3D game? 3D game. 2. What is the engine you use? 3.js in a single complete HTML file. It's so nuts. It'll be PC. What's the type? I'm going to say a full game, even though that's like I'm lying, but it's fine. Do you have any technical constraints? Pastel, yeah, a pastel color scheme. All right, let's see how this guy is going. He's not doing anything. Oh wait, I meant this guy. Okay, so 3D Tin Alley Shooting Gallery. That's a good one. we will create a 3D shooting gallery where the tin cans use physics and will be knocked back and fall down using tap on the phone and click on the PC. The tin cans will be randomly stacked in a pyramid. We mimic a carnival. We mimic a carnival shooting gallery. Use 3.js and give me the complete HTML file. Put him into deep thinking mode. And off he goes. Right, so let's see how he's doing over here. He's still planning. That's not a good sign. Wait a minute. Has he ignored something I said to him? I feel like he's ignored something I said to him. Wait a minute. Oh no, he's continued to ask me more questions. Oh no, he's just waiting for me to hit the act button. Okay, so what he managed to get out of that was oh wow, look at all this. He's gonna do it all. He's gonna do it all. Write me a full game, damn it. Let's go. Back up to the Claudage 3D shooting gallery. So what are we going to do? We're going to create a 3D shooting gallery using 3JS with a physics engine. This will include randomly stacked tins in a pyramid that react physically when shot. Boom. That's exactly what I wanted. I'm glad he understands. Let's see if he can do it. Oh, sheesh. They just fell over because the randomness wasn't stacked well. You win. Don't do anything. Oh, right. Wait, what? Hang on. It is working. But... It is working. But... I can't aim, it seems. Hang on. WASD to aim? Interesting. Okay, right, so... Okay, the cans will... The physics, yeah. Physics is fixed, is frozen. Frozen until the player takes the shot. I'm going to change it to using mouse click on PC. Mouse aim and click on the PC. The mouse aim and click to shoot. Okay. Tins is frozen until the player takes the first shot. Okay, I think that's better. I left some stuff out. Yeah, the stack falls, yeah. I completely forgot to freeze the physics until you actually shoot the tin cans, because then they'll just sort of stay there until you hit them. We have to sort of allow the game to break physics because they'll always fall down immediately otherwise. Okay, hopefully he still gets it. It might not be as good. We'll see. How are we doing here? Add biome structures. Blimey, I hope this works. I mean, it could work. It might work. Do not turn off. Ugh. There we go. Oh boy. It's so crazy. I can remember only a few months ago we were like, oh, you can't write more than 300 lines. It'll run out of memory. You know? And now it's like... See, one thing I did want to show you guys, actually, and let's just talk about this while it's running code for us, okay? Anthropic, the people, these people, they're too good. I wonder how much I've spent. Oh, it won't let me see it yet. Hang on. Leigh Johnson. You gonna let me in? Let me in, let me in. All right. Okay, so I just actually needed to go to Anthropic, actually. Not the console. Oh my god, what is going on? There. I just want to go to anthropic.com. Stop taking me to all your weird subdomains. Right. So they got a blog post out. Claude code. Okay? Now I haven't got this yet, okay? But I've seen people do some crazy stuff which is like what we're doing with Klein, but without Klein. Just in the command line. It's got a lot of abilities that do the same thing. So it's almost like you don't need any of this and it'll just work in the file system natively, right? Native file system command line Claude, okay? But it's very expensive. It's like $15 for 1 million tokens. That's like double what a lot of stuff is. And it can do a lot of stuff. We were looking at what it can do. And it actually does a lot of stuff. I wish I could show you some examples right here. Have we got it here? Can we go here? Yeah, I think we can. How's that carnival shoot going on? Oh! Oh! I can't really aim, though. It did do it, though. Do you know what I mean? It did do it. I can't really aim, though. How do I aim? Let's just download this and run it in the browser. 16 kilobyte download. Come on. It's scanning it for viruses or something. SD 1.4 classic. Oh, so when you click, you can't aim. Okay, do you know what? I got a better idea. Right. So, okay. So again, this is like what I'm talking about. It's like you just end up iteratively doing prompt editing, right? So now what I'll say, we'll create a sheet, okay, using WASD to aim the camera and space to shoot. Okay. Use the enter key to restart the game. Add a score to the game based on the cans that fell. Divided by the number of shots. 10 points per can. Sounds good. And off he goes. Astra Bricks was really cool though. Astra Bricks. The second version was so crazy. I've made worse games in Unreal, man. Okay, just saying. Oh. So that one's actually live. Okay. 3D shooting gallery. How's this other one coming on? There's still an error in add biome structure. Uh-oh. He's having a bit of trouble, this one. The experiment here is it actually better to give him a bigger plan, or is it better just to give him a short plan? Do you know what? This is a little bit like an interviewing technique where you have open questions forces the interviewee to give up more information. You know, because we want the model to give up more information, high quality information. So in the way, you have to use interrogation techniques. That's basically what prompting is. It's like we're trying to get him to tell us what we want to know without actually necessarily knowing it, because we assume he knows. You see what I mean? It's more like an interview, if you don't like interrogation. I can see some parallels there anyway. What's it doing? Are these actually the correct numbers? They all look very similar. Anyway. It's still going. Oh, okay. Press enter to start. Press enter to start. Oh, yeah, nice. Right, now we can play it. Oh, yeah. Up a bit. Yes. Come on, come on. Wait, is there like another can still stood up somewhere? It feels like 3D worms. Wait, oh my god, so the cans stand back up again if they land on their side. So there you go, I've done it. So press enter. Oh no, do you know what happened? When I press space, they unfreeze. See? So I don't actually have to hit them. They all twitch the second I shoot. So what I should do is say unfreeze on the first hit. You know? So when on the first hit they need to unfreeze. Otherwise it's like when I shoot they all fall before the bullet gets there. Which is kind of unrealistic. But this is actually a solid one, so I'm going to download that. But I think that, again, we could refine the prompt further. Okay. So, start new chat, go to the extended, put it back in there again, and this time, say physics. So, physics, why is that? Oh, okay, it's done some weird markup on me. So that was a bullet point list. That was a bullet point list. And then that was a bullet point list. Okay. Okay, so physics. Okay, we should say physics is frozen until the first shot hits any can. Yeah. Yeah. Because I can't position them perfectly, so... Okay. I wonder if we can make a bigger... No, okay, I'm not going to get too crazy. I'm just going to do it. Just do it. Just do it. We've changed one thing. You know what I mean? I don't know why we've got a bunch of stars suddenly. I think that's some, like, markup infection. But yeah, so this is going to make our 3D shooting gallery. And like I said, you know, you can obviously prompt edit. You know what I mean? You could say the balls are actually something else. You could say the tins are something else. You could say there's more tins. You could say we're in a different location. You could say anything you want and you'll get something different. So it's a really good example of, like, I want thing. And, like, you know, what this makes me think of is tanks, you know? So when you're in those games where you have to aim a tank like Worms, you know, you shoot a thing and then you have the idea is to try and hit the enemy. So I'm thinking it might be something like that. You could make a game like that quite easily. Yeah, to be honest, with something like, you know, objects like that, they're often frozen until they get woken up by being hit, you know? Because usually if you had physics active all the time on everything in the world, it would be too much cause too much latency. So they tend to just freeze the physics on things that aren't near you. It's a good optimization trick they use. Gets a bit weird with networking, but yeah, the devil's in the details. So how we doing? Say less. Oh no, there are major issues. I've completely messed up. Oh no. He's completely... You don't ever want to read this. It seems to have there are major issues with the file. It seems to have messed up the structure. The sections are mixed together and there are many syntax errors. It's funny, like, oh no, 346 errors. Oh my god. He's working on it. No, he's not. What's he doing? I think this one's busted, guys. Luckily, it's only spent one banana so far. And the error count is going from 342 to 343. I'm tempted to just tell him to stop and then just start again, because I think this one's scuffed. I don't know, but look at what he's doing. He's trying to make a whole bloody game here. All the upgrades, the maze changes, a memory system. It's very ambitious. You know what I mean? Compared to what we've been trying to make tonight. I'm not sure this is going to work, guys. How much of it have we given this a fair shake? Should we start again? Do you know what I mean? Because when I see stuff like that, I think, look, he goes, oh wait, let me start from scratch. I'll write a completely new index. Okay. Let's see if he can save it. Man, he's got a lot of work to do. crazy. How we doing on the shootout? Oh. Oh. Uncaught script error. No, you broke it, you silly sausage. Oh. That's a shame. Alright, well, I won't be defeated so easily. Right, what? Look, okay, this is annoying. Can I delete the star thing? Nope. That's annoying. Okay, I got an idea. I can clean it. I can clean it. Plain text, please. That's better. Right. Okay. It overshoots. Yes. Yes, Vernicar, you're correct. I see what you're saying now when you said overshoot. Yeah, it is possible that he can get so caught up in his own genius that he has to actually start again because he broke it. Do you know what I mean? He's like, I'm so clever! And he goes straight all the way through it so quick, and then he's like, oh, I made a mistake, I'll fix that. Oh, I made a mistake, I'll fix that. And he gets stuck in a loop. If physics is frozen first before the enter key is hit, is that an issue? No. See, until you press enter, physics is frozen by default. And technically everything starts up when you start the game. But what I did was, because I noticed that when you start the game, all the cans kind of collapse into themselves, and it's because they have crappy collision. You know, those cans that we're using have crappy collision, and the physics model is a bit imprecise. So it's all sort of gone flat on itself. And I said, that'll look fine if you freeze the physics until the first hit. And then they can all fall over together. Do you know what I mean? But yeah, certainly this overshot, because it's like having to rewrite the entire thing. As a matter of fact, how far is he through that process? Oh, there's only 1,300 lines. It won't be long. Uh-oh, did I just break it? Well, I think I broke it by touching the thing. Yeah, look, he stopped. Whoops, I shouldn't have touched it. Ah, we've made another one already. Okay. Huh. Right, aim. Yes. Fire. Crash. This one's even better than the last one. The game crashed when the first ball hit a can. That'll be the physics unfreezing. See what I mean? See how, like, as soon as you try to ask for something, it falls apart. So it's like a fragile thing. This is a fragile thing. If you ask for too much, it might all break. And I think that's the danger you got to be aware of with this stuff. If you don't go into it knowing that it is fragile, like, yes, you can pull off stuff. But if you try to mess with it too much, like make too many demands of what you get that works, it'll all fall apart. And of course, the truth is, you need to, like, go in and actually do the code changes yourself. I know. I know, it sounds obvious, right? But I think as the AI gets better, it'll be able to do this sort of thing more reliably. Because right now it's a bit, should I say, haphazard? You know what I mean? It's like it can one-shot code with no, and you don't even need to debug. It'll just work. But it can also get itself into a bit of a knicker twist situation. So let's see. I've saved it. There are no errors. So Endless Metroid. Whoa. Okay, are you going to try and play it now, or is it just not going to run? Oh, let's shut this down, because we... Oh, wait, hang on. It's fine. I'm not going to run that. Not going to run that. Let's have a look at what this is doing. This is... Can I test it? Endless Metroid. Start game. It looks the same. Wait, this is the one that I already made before. See, there's a map. That means we can go that way. Oh, and it crashed as soon as I saw the eyeballs again. Maybe it's a latent beast, because it just destroys... yeah. Endless Metroid. That's not what we're working. We're working on this one now. I don't think it's going to load. Yeah, it's not loading, my guy. Have you figured it out yet? Did he figure it out that it doesn't load? An infinite alien world. I don't know if it's actually going to be anything, to be fair. There's a lot of code. But it feels like... Yeah, this doesn't work. You know what I mean? He's basically made an endless loading screen. It is that. So I've got to wait for him to time out. Because he was waiting. It's really funny. He's got the ability to start his own app and use a web browser. And he can see the web browser. And he can interact with stuff. And he can tell that... Well, he's waiting for it to load right now. So if it took till the end of time, he'd still be sat there waiting for it. So luckily there is a timeout on the request, but I think it's like quite a long time. Probably like 5 minutes, 300 seconds maybe. So yeah. So was there a version of this which wasn't broken? Where was the best version of this? Oh, it's in a different chat, isn't it? Crash. Shame. It's like, it can do it though. It can do it. It's just extremely unstable. Like, you might just break... There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bloody hell, look at me. Going all these times. So we open this one. What's this one like? Oh look, that one just fell over and you can't aim. They just fall over on their own every time, okay. And then this one, again, they just fall over all the time on their own, and you can't even aim again. And then there was this one, where you press enter, and now you can aim, and you can shoot them. I reckon I'll just use this one for the demo. Because it's sketchy, but you can, at least you can use it. I'll take that one. Go into here. So you can shoot. And get the right... What? Why is it called asteroidbricks.html? What? Where did you download this to? Shooting gallery 2. That's there. What the heck's going on? It's not organized or something? There we go. Alright, cool. We got it. So copy that. Put it into the can shoot folder with index. And can shoot, drag it in. It's still uploading apparently. Press enter to start. I said reconnect. Just get on with it. Right, enter. Oh, that one was just broken. And then we're back to where we started. Okay. Oh my god, look at it go. Are you still editing? I fixed the issue with determined biome. Cool. There's still an issue with determined biome. I love how it's just working. He's just working. Like a marriage, says Tigrail. Yeah, that's funny. Still. What are you still doing now? I've replaced simplex noise and generate terrain with a simpler deterministic random function. However, there's still an issue in add chunk walls. Okay, cool. That all sounds very encouraging. Can I use it yet? You're like, no. It's horribly broken. Please don't ask me. $2.70 now. Like I said, I've had better results for less money. That there's no predictability of what the cost will be. I'll say that. You know, sometimes you'll one-shot a prompt and it'll just give you the code that just works and does everything you needed in like less than 50 cents. Other times you'll run into a couple of dollars and it's still broken. So, like I said, fragile. I don't think unstable is actually the right word. I think it's fragile. Because it's like, it'll make something very delicate that if you nudge it too hard, it'll all splinter and fracture. So look, he's still considering what he's doing. Yep, 2 bananas. We're nearly up to 3 bananas, guys. We're breaking the bank. I might need to, you know, reel in the budget on this one. It's too much, mate. 3 bananas, mate. For what? For what? 3 bananas for an endless Metroid concept? It's too much. It's too much, guys. You should pay more than that to a human and have it take 5 weeks longer. Alright. We're just having fun. Look at him go. See, when you just say, this is like Mickey Mouse with the brushes and the buckets of water. That's what this has basically become very quickly. Yeah. Because now he's just off. He's just off doing his thing. Look at this. Add biome structures and add random upgrade. Dude, there's so many things in this. If it did work, it would be great. And so this is a little bit like back in the day when we were trying to shoot for humans with 4 fingers and a thumb on each hand. Feels like that. Yeah, it's going to break $3. Don't worry about it, guys. I prepay like 10, 20 bucks at a time. If it uses it all, it uses it all. That's research. I've learned that a long time ago. Sometimes there's a cost to doing business. And believe you me, it's not a small cost. But it all works out in the end. Get thyself to the online accountants. Oh. Now I need to update the ice crystal section. Oh yeah, of course, the ice crystals. Don't forget about that. Don't forget about the ice crystals. That's like core gameplay right there. I hope I get to see this forest one day. Okay, wait a minute. What's the... Oh yeah, that's right. I was copying that for in a minute. But he's still hogging the stage with his, just infinitely developed program. Yeah, 5 weeks. Yeah, about 5 weeks. That's human. Human timescales. Fernicar, I think the chat feature at this stage will be a better option. $3 worth of analysis on gameplay mechanic designs. It's true. Yeah. Yeah. We're getting there. He's creating lava enemies now. See, someone had this joke, right? He said that maybe in 6 months, when the next AI comes out, it can fix the code that my AI wrote that doesn't work. I love it. It's so good. No, look, we need Claude 4. Why? So it can fix my Claude 5 game that doesn't work. And that's legit. So he's just going around updating all of his functions right now. Hey. This is the one where they all fall down before you hit them. Oh, I got one. I've taken 11 shots. Yeah, got him. Sweet. That's 4, isn't it? Paper Madness, Asterbricks, Can Shoot. Yeah, that's 4. Okay, that's all I needed to complete my my web page. Man, the planning takes so long. Oh wow, now he's moving. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh crap. I need to update add enemies to use get random instead of simplex. This is the last function that still uses simplex. So you just fully upgraded the whole thing. Oh, look, if it all breaks, yeah. Look at this. Yeah, keep going, my guy. Only 20. Only 20? Not even that many. Whoa, I've replaced all the stuff. Yo. I need to check if there are any remaining references to 3 simplex. Let me look through the code. Whoa. I see grep is not available on this system. I'll try using search files instead. Well, that's lucky, because wouldn't that be funny? Like, you make the whole game and then he's like, oh, I can't read files. Yeah, I guess we're stuck. Ah, Velocity Ascent. Hello. Hello, Joe. Great to see you. Greetings from New York. Yeah, we're messing around today. We're doing some craziness with the new Claude. And what we've done is we've put together a little thing here which we are working on. So, how do you get there? You go to games and then you go to the synth arcade, and slowly all of these, we've actually got 4 to go in here now, so we've only got 1 space left. And essentially all of these, the images aren't updated yet because I used obviously a different page as a template. But all of these are games that were generated with AI, and like I said, we're filling up the page. We've only got one spot left. And some of them are better than others. Like I say, this is the best one so far. Plan with Grok, act with 3.7 Sonnet. My God, that was quick. Wait, what? That's never happened. Oh, okay. I was going to say I'm in a wall. So it's like it's, you know, the code was written with AI. Oh, there's a wall there. Oh no! Ah, I see. I can move the thing around with the mouse. Let's go run all the way around that block over there. Hey, hey, hey. So it uses a GLB for the person. That's how it does it. But yeah, it's pretty crazy that this was done one shot, one prompt, one shot, no debugging. It just works. And every time you load it up, you get a different, different section of blocks. So it's like a random arena, I guess. There's no shooting or anything like that, but it's just crazy. I find this stuff crazy. So we're doing a whole show on that tonight, pretty much. And then we put all of our... Some of them didn't work. Do you know what? I should put this up just because it's funny. Like, Endless Metroid. Prepare to explore. And it just never runs. It never runs. It never runs. Oh, wait a minute. Or maybe it does run now. Come on. Oh, is this next level trolling now? See, before the loading bar would never load, so you'd sit there waiting for it to load and it would never load. Now the loading bar loads, but the game still doesn't start. It's not actually working. He's done all this code. Look, he's done $4.60. That's an entire bunch of bananas, guys. Do you have any idea how... I'm going to be short on potassium, okay? I'm going to need potassium donations this month from the amount of money I'm spending on Claude right now. Yeah, it didn't work, guys. It didn't work. It didn't work. But we've actually been making some really cool games tonight. Like I said, it's kind of crazy. So let's just... the game's not working. It's probably because we removed simplex. Oh, God. So he's searching pointer lock controls. 3 pointer lock controls. Let's look at 3 library. We're using 3JSR128, but we're not importing pointer lock control module. We need to add the import. It is a truly endless game, yeah. It truly was. Prepare yourself for an endless gaming experience. And then the loading bar is just really slow. Oh, he's trying again. I love how it tests its own code like this. It's so cool. So he's going to click on it. And nothing's going to happen. Yeah, look. The game still isn't starting properly. Let's close the browser and check the console for more detailed error messages. Let's add a try catch block in the init function to log the error. I love it. So you could probably leave this guy on overnight. Yeah, it loads, but no gameplay. It's the next evolution of the endless game, guys. See, what they've done is they've gamified making the game. So then the game is making the game. And when the game works, you stop playing it. That's the new AI gaming meta. Now we have a specific message. 3 capsule is not a constructor. Okay, we're using R128. Replace it with geometry available in that version. Okay, cool. I'll replace geometry with a geometry that is available in 3JS R128. I'll use cylinder instead of capsule. Love it. I love it, mate. Hidden game rule. You used capsule geometry when you were supposed to use cylinder geometry. What? Were you using 3JS R130 when you should have been on 128? Noob. I love all these ins and outs. They're so funny to me. Because, you know, people go, oh, what did you make your game with? Unity. Cool. Which one? Oh, hang on. Oh. What the hell? What are we looking at here? What are we looking at? It's doing something. The game's now working. Let's try moving around. Let's summarize what we did. Endless Metroid, it says. Okay. All right. Well, I mean, hey. History. Endless Metroid. Let's see what happens. Damn. Oh, damn. Whoa, what? What the heck is that? It's a bit bright. It's a bit bright. The lighting is a little bit strong. It seems like I'm stuck in here. There's an orb. Wait, morph ball acquired. Press 1 to morph into a ball and access small spaces. Okay, I'm a ball now. Whoa. Oh, wow. When they said small spaces, they meant it. So can I go through that? Oh, I can go through the wall anyway. Okay, so we've got... Wait a minute. Is this a procedural world? Oh, wait a minute. Oh, crap! A red thing killed me. Okay, this is going up. It's going up. This is going up. That's awesome. Works. So copy that. Endless Metroid. I don't even know what it is. I don't even know what the features are. We just hallucinated the whole game. Okay. Endless Metroid. But it loads now. Okay. So, the movement was a little bit weird. It seems like head isn't attached to... so, like, your head isn't attached to turning or something. I'm not really sure, but... there was something weird going on there. So, yeah. That was $5. No, it wasn't $5. But it was a lot. Let me have a look. It was $5. It was $5.41. So, I hope you bloody enjoy it. I can't believe it, though. Look, there are distinct biomes to be found. Lava, ice caverns, alien forests. There are anchor points. What else is there? There are upgrades, morph ball, high jump, grapple. The scanner ability to reveal hidden structures. Power-ups based on distance from the starting area. So the more you explore, the more cool stuff you find. Sections of the maze will move as you explore. There are environment hazards. There are enemy types tied to specific biomes, and then there are boss encounters as well. This is just insane. I know. So apparently S is the scanner, M is the ball, J is the high jump, and G is grapple. I might just quickly go back here. Why can't I move? Hang on. Try again. Okay, so I can move. So M. What's this? Whoa. Okay, scanner revealed. So press 2 to reveal something. I don't even know. 2? So it looks like, yeah, you can look around, but you can't rotate your body. Which is weird. Oh, wait. No, wait, what? So... Oh! Go this way. There's a red thing after me. think if I get far enough away. Oh, wait, what's that? No! 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 He snuck up on me. Okay, right. I'm getting into it too much. Okay, right. Let me just... This reminds me of an old Atari game. Like Sentinel or something. It's like really old school. Okay. 5 below 5 UK slash, and it was Endless Metroid. There it is. Boom. That's actually really cool. I love this. I love this. It's so abstract and surreal. It's like, watch out for the red blobs. So you have to pick up those power-ups. Wait. What? Oh yeah, I got it. I don't know what the scanner actually does. Mate, I'm addicted. Peek through. Close to sky. Oh shit, there's one after me already. I want to go over there. What's that thing? What's that thing? Oh no, 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 go back, back. I've got to press backwards at the moment. There's a black thing. What? That's a boss, isn't it? Okay, that's a tree. Shit, this is so hard. There's another black thing. What? What the hell is that? It's not friendly. There's two of them. There's a... What? No! 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 Help. I haven't seen a power up in days. Help. Help. They're closing in. Wait, what's this thing? There's a flower. Oh, shit! It was right behind me. Oh my god. It's such a basic game. And it's like, you can't turn the player. So you're looking around, but your body is facing the same direction. Yeah, there was too many bosses in the end. I got hit by black diamonds. That was so cool. All right. So what I'm going to do... Look at this. The game features an endless procedurally generated world to explore with increasing challenges and rewards. I mean, look. You know, rewards. The orbs are faster when you don't look at them. Yeah, it did look like that to me too. Man, that was crazy. And look, we did it in 4.6 million tokens, guys. 4.6 million tokens to make HTML file. Okay. All right. It's up online as well. So that means... Oh, it's the timing, mate. We're literally right on time. Okay. Right on time. What we'll probably do is we'll do the Skyreels motion guided video stuff tomorrow because, yeah, we didn't have time for that tonight, but that's okay. This is the thing of the moment. Claude 3.7, big boy release day. So we close this folder and open. Oh Christ! Look at this. It's all Synth Arcade. Can I get something which wasn't the Synth Arcade? Well, I need to open my web. Yes, that's what I need. And then we'll go into the Synth Arcade web. Oi, 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 oi. Stop it. Trying to photobomb me all the time. Okay, and... yeah. Right, you guys can have a little look at this while I check the plumbing. Is this going to just start going? Yeah, it is. This is from a couple of days ago. It's up on my gallery on the website. Be right back. Yo. Right then. So, chuck that out of the way. Now, what have we got? Synth Arcade. So, Paper Madness was the first one we made tonight. Thank you for all the suggestions tonight. It's been great trying to bring things to life. So let's see if we can find some spots. I think we've got some right here. So we'll go like this. No. Yep, that one there, Paper Madness. So this will be Paper Madness. And this one is Paperboy meets Marble Madness. You know, whether it actually works or not, that's not the goal here. Although I think it did work, to be fair. It just... could have been better. But the thing is, you know, in game development, it could always be better, right? That's the bricks. We always used to joke about that a game development project is never actually finished, you know? It's only finished when you stop adding to it, which means that it's never finished. It's like a never-ending story. Asteroids meets bricks. And I need to remember which one was which. Which one was which? I think one of them was using the chat. I think this one was done using Claude 3.7 chat, but then this one was done using plan/act Claude 3.7, and obviously it's just going to be the same thing.
You're listening to 5below5.uk radio.
Asterbricks 2, and we need to get the link for Asterbricks 2. Copy. No, not open it. Crap. Copy the link.
Check out our YouTube tutorials as well.
There we go. Asterbricks. Okay, and then can shoot. And it will be can shoot, which is tin can shooting gallery, and it will be, this one was, I think this one was done in the this one was done in the chat, yeah. So Claude 3.7 chat, and then the last one, Endless Metroid, which is probably the most insane one, or the most, let's say the most ambitious, the cheekiest one, the one that we definitely shouldn't have got away with. This one, bloody, I'm even going to say $5 worth of 3.7. So this one is called Endless Metroid. Please don't, you know, anyway. So it's more like Sentinel than Metroid. I don't know. It's just an endless procedural adventure with danger. Huh? I guess. I don't even know. And this one was going to be plan/act Claude 3.7. I think we actually did a plan. I think we did the plan with chat, and then we did the act with Klein. Yeah, so, okay. Plan Claude 3.7 chat. Collude. And then act 3.7 Klein. I know I haven't put Klein everywhere else. I think we'll get away with it. Okay, let's just update that web page. And it's done. So we should now be able to go to 5below5 UK, and then go to the games, and then go to the arcade, and then yes, they're all there. Now I wonder if they all actually work. Yep. Yup. Oh. Nope. I knew it was worth checking. I forgot to actually put the link in. For Endless Metroid. What the hell? Where did I put the link then? I guess I just didn't do it. Okay. Save it. Overwrite it. And... ooh, I shouldn't have done that. Just give me that page back. There we go. Right, click. Still not there. Refresh. Hey, there we go. We got Endless Metroid, Space Invaders, Asteroids, Backrooms. Backrooms Basic. Well, it kind of is, but it's like Basic 2. Breakout, Infinity Corridor, Lunar Lander, Overworld, Snakes and Ladders. Alright, it's there. It's all there. It's all there. So all I need to do now is just put in a bunch of screenshots, pretty much. So, yeah, there it is. That brings us to the end of the show, ladies and gentlemen. If you want to check out any of the stuff that we've been doing tonight, obviously the links are in the inside line. You can join our Discord. There's a link in the description. Tomorrow is Wednesday, so we're going to be doing a little bit more comfy related stuff, but there's always Claude stuff going on the side. For example, I'm working on a custom node which I started last night, last stream. We did a lot of time on it, so we're going to have another stab at that using Claude 3.7. So like I said, I'll be looking forward to that. Same time, same place, 7 o'clock tomorrow UK time. So thanks for watching, everybody. See you next time.
I